Lesson 3 Work and Energy. Students, in last class we learnt about simple machine. Do you remember what is simple machines? Yes, very good. Simple machines are tools which are used to make our work easier. Simple machine help us to do work in an easy way in a short time, and it is very useful in our daily life. Let us see some examples of them. Pulley, wedge, inclined plane, screw, lever, wheel and axle. These are the simple machines. Among them, in today's class, we are going to see in detail about lever. A lever is used to multiply the force we give on an object. Best example of this is seesaw, nutcracker and a piler. Okay children, let us see now in detail. Types of lever. To understand the lever, we must know the following terms: load, effort and fulcrum. Let us see one by one. Load. Load is the object on which the force is applied. லோட்னா நம்ம எந்த பொருளை நகர்த்த போகிறோம், இல்லை கட் பண்ண போகிறோம், இல்லை அதை ஏதோ செய்ய போகிறோம், அந்த பொருள் தான் நமக்கு லோடு. த திங் இஸ் கால்ட் ஆப்ஜெக்ட். த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் அ லோட். லோட் இஸ் த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் ஆன் விச் த ஃபோர்ஸ் இஸ் அப்ளைடு. லோட்னா ஒன்றும் இல்லை, ஒரு பொருள். அந்த பொருளை நம்ம நகர்த்த போகிறோம், இல்லை கட் பண்ண போகிறோம், ஏதோ ஒன்று செய்ய போகிறோம். எதை நகர்த்த போகிறோமோ அதுதான் load. Load is the object on which the force is applied. Second one, effort. Effort is the force we apply on the lever. Effort na ஒன்றும் இல்லை. இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் லிவர், சிசர் வந்து லிவரோட ஒரு டைப்புக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள். அதில் நம்ம அதை கட் பண்ணுறோம். அப்போ அந்த கட் பண்ணும்போது நம்ம கட் பண்ணுறது கொஞ்சம் ஃபோர்ஸ் தருவோம் இல்லையா, ஒரு ஏதோ ஒன்று பண்ணி அதை சிசரை பிடிச்சி அழுத்துவோம். அப்போ தான் என்னவாகும், அந்த பேப்பர் கட் ஆகும். அந்த நம்ம கொடுக்குற ஃபோர்ஸ் தான் எஃபர்ட். எஃபர்ட் இஸ் த ஃபோர்ஸ் வி அப்ளை ஆன் த லிவர். நெக்ஸ்ட், fulcrum is the point on which the liver rotates. Fulcrum is nothing but it's a rotating point. எந்த பொருளாக இருந்தாலும் அது ரொட்டேட் ஆகணும். அப்போ தான் அது கட் பண்ணவோ இல்லை நகரவோ செய்யும். அதனோட ரொட்டேட்டிங் பாயிண்ட்டை தான் நம்ம ஃபல்க்ரம்னு சொல்கிறோம். Fulcrum is the point on which the lever rotates. The same example in scissor, in between one screw is there. It will move little bit, then only the scissor move, it will cut the paper. So the paper is the load, effort what we are applying in the handle, and fulcrum is the screw in between them. This is the one of the easiest example for you. So load is the object on which the force is applied. Effort is the force we apply on the lever. Fulcrum is the point on which the lever rotates. Lever is classified into 3 types according to where the load and effort are located with respect to fulcrum. Okay children, now let us see the 3 types of lever. Class 1 lever. When the fulcrum is between the effort and the load, it is known as class 1 lever. Example, scissors, pilers and seesaw. See the picture children. Fulcrum. What is fulcrum? Already I told, the rotating point is called the fulcrum. So the rotating point will be in the middle. See the scissors, the rotating point, the screw is in the middle. So one side we are giving the effort, the load is on the other side. So it is called as class 1 lever. When the fulcrum is between the effort and the load, it is known as class 1 lever. Example, scissors, pilers and seesaw. Fulcrum நம்மளோட rotating point மிடில் இருக்கும். ஒரு சைடு எஃபர்ட்டும் அனதர் சைடு லோடும் இருக்கும். இதைத்தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம், கிளாஸ் 1 லிவர்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஸோ த எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் ஆர் scissors, pilers and seesaw. Class 2 lever. when the load is between the effort and the fulcrum, it is known as class 2 lever. Example, wheel and barrow, lemon squeezer and nutcracker. Children, see the picture in this. First let us see the fulcrum. The rotating point is at the last. So effort is in the beginning and the load is in the middle. So in between the load, effort and fulcrums are placed. See the nutcracker or the lemon squeezer, the load. Where is the rotating point? The rotating point, fulcrum, is in the beginning. One side we are giving the effort. The load is in the middle. So it is called as class 2 lever. Example, wheel and barrow, lemon squeezer and nutcracker. When the load is between the effort and the fulcrum, it is known as class 2 lever. Class 3 lever. In this lever, the effort is between the load and the fulcrum. Example, stapler, tongs, broomstick and hockey stick. Children, in this see the picture, it is effort is in the middle, load is on the one side and fulcrum in the another point. In the class 1 lever, the fulcrum is in the middle. In class 2 lever, load is in the middle. But in class 3 lever, the effort is in the middle. So the fulcrum and the load are on the opposite sides. Okay, children. So in this lever, the effort is in between. Effort தான் நடுவுல இருக்கு. ஒரு side fulcrumம் another side loadம் இருக்கு. For this, examples are stapler, tongs, broomstick and hockey sticks. So children, don't forget, in class 1 lever, fulcrum will be in the middle, effort and the load are the last. In class 2 lever, load will be in the middle, effort and fulcrum will be in the end. In class 3 lever, effort will be in the middle, fulcrum and load will be in the ends. You should recall this. Okay, children? Try to answer. Name the load, effort and fulcrum. Children, let us see one activity related to types of lever. Let us see the first picture. Do you have any idea? It is belonging to which order lever? Children, can you try? Yes, very good. It is looking like a seesaw. So, it is related to class 1 lever. So, effort will be in the beginning, fulcrum will be in the middle and the load is in the opposite side. Number last it will come. So, it is belonging to class 1 lever. Next picture, see, it is an hockey stick, isn't it? Now only we learned that hockey stick belonging to class 3 lever. So, the effort will be in the middle. So, fulcrum will be in the beginning. Next, effort. Next, last one, load. Okay, children. So, the hockey stick belonging to class 3 lever. See the next picture. It is a nutcracker, isn't it? So, it belonging to class 2 lever. Effort will be in the beginning given by our hand. Next, the load, the nut is in the middle. So, next the fulcrum will be in the last. So, it is the fulcrum is the rotating point. It will be in the last. So, it is the class 2 lever. So, nutcracker belonging to class 2 lever. Children, next activity related to simple machines. In the lesson beginning only I say about the simple machine in last class, and now let us classify which materials belonging to which simple machines. Okay, children, see the picture. First one, it is an axe, isn't it? So it comes under wedge. Next, see the picture. What type of floor it is? One side is too high and another side is too low. So it's a type of inclined plane. It comes under the category of inclined plane. Next one, see, it is your favorite play area place, isn't it? It's a seesaw. So where it comes? It comes under lever. Now only we learn detail about this. It's a lever and it belongs to first order lever also, because the fulcrum, rotating point, is in the middle. Okay children, see the next picture. It is a one wheel is there and small rod also attached to that. So both will rotate. So what it is? It is a wheel and axle. Okay, next, from the picture itself, I think you may find out it. It is a pulley, where it is used in cranes and many places it is used. So it is a type of pulley. Next, it is a bottle cap. It is a best example of screw. Okay children, the first one is the axis belonging to wedge. Next one is inclined plane. The seesaw belonging to lever. And the next picture is belonging to wheel and axle. Next one pulley. The last one screw. Those who are having book, please take and copy these answers also. Children, one more activity belonging to simple machine. Here, complete the table. Here they given the types of simple machine. We should write the example for that. First one, pulley. Answer, crane. Next one, wheel and axle. Children, do you remember the example? Yes, very good. It's grinder. We can write easily. Grinder. Next one, wedge. Now only we saw one example, isn't it? Axe. Very good. Next one, inclined plane. What is inclined plane? The slope area. So we can write ramp. In hospitals, so we can mention here ramp. Next one, lever. Our easiest example, seesaw. Is a rotating point. Everything now only we learnt, isn't it? So lever, seesaw. Next one, screw. We can write bottle cap. Now only we learnt, isn't it? Screw, bottle cap. Now again I am reading. Pulley, crane, wheel and axle, grinder, wedge, axe, inclined plane, ramp, lever, seesaw, screw, bottle cap. Okay children, bye.